Now we have to understand what is a palindrome string, right? And we'll understand it through this diagram. See, this is the program. Enter a string. Suppose I enter manam. Manam will be assigned to the str variable. You're computing the length of this string. It is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. See, the concept to find out whether the string is palindrome or not, you have to avoid the middle character, but you have to compare first character with the last, second character with the second last, leaving this middle character. If the first character matches with the last, you have to compare the second with the second last character, and if any of these characters don't match, it is no more a palindrome string. Okay. So what has happened? You have defined a boolean variable palin. You have initialized it to true. Remember that this t is in uppercase. It is case sensitive. You are using for loop which will go from 0. This is integer division. From 0 till 5 divided by 2. Integer of 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 and integer is 2. So the range function will be having values from 0 till 1 because 2 is exclusive, right? So I will be 0, the loop will be executed, then the value of I will become 1, again the loop will execute. When the value of I will become 2, the loop will terminate. Okay. In the first iteration, the value of I is 0. This str0 has to be compared with the last character, str4. Let's see how. str0 I is 0. N is 5. 5 minus 0 minus 1. That is 4. This str0 is compared with str4 index location. This is not equal to. If it doesn't matches, break. Come out of the for loop, assigning false value to the palin boolean variable. Okay. But because this str0 location matches with str4, the value of I will be incremented to 1. This str1 has to be compared with str3 location. Let's see. str1 I is 1. 5 minus 1 minus 1, that is str3. If str1 does not match with str3, break out of the loop. But both the characters match, right? str1 matches with the str3 index location. So the next value of I will be picked up, which is 2, which is not allowed. Okay. So for loop will get over. If palin, if the value of palin is true, the value of palin is true because this if block was not executed at all. So this if block will be executed. String manam is a palindrome string, right? But suppose if you enter Jamnaj, which will be assigned to this str variable, length of Jamnaj is 6. Now palin variable is made to true. Now what will happen through this for loop? You have to compare this str0 with str5. This str1 is compared with str4. These middle characters are also compared. If any of the character does not matches, this palin will become false and the for loop will break out, and depending upon the value of palin, either if block or else block will be executed. So first of all, the value of I is 0. The value of I will go from 0 till 2 because this 3 is exclusive. The value of I is 0. str0 is compared with 6 minus 0 minus 1, that is 5. str0 is compared with 5. They both match. So if block will not run, the value of I will be incremented to 1. str1 will be compared with 6 minus 1 minus 1, that is 4. So this str1 will be compared with str4. They still match. So this if block will not be executed. The value of I will become 2. This str2 has to be compared with str3. str2, 6 minus 2 minus 1, that is str3. They don't match. So the value of the palin variable will be set to boolean value false. Break. Come out of the for loop. Because palin is false, if block won't be executed, else block will be executed. String Jamnaj is not a palindrome string. Let's run these programs. See. Enter a string. Suppose I enter manam. String manam is a palindrome string. Suppose I run. I enter, say, Manoj. It is not same. From forward and backward direction, if you see it, it is not the same.